right, I just received this, another solar battery wireless security camera. Let's check it out. Let's go ahead and open her up. Oh, jeez. There we go. All right, so comes with one of these things. I do believe, yes, directions. May need those. Put them to the side. And I think this is the solar panel here. Yep, looks like it. So here's your solar panel. Good size. Yeah, that's nice. And it has a USB-C, which I like. That's good. So let's put our solar panel here. These are for screwing your holders into the wall. And check it out. Oh, it looks good. Looks nice. It's big. Look at that. Wow. I do like that. This looks really good. Up here, but let's see what it says. Built-in battery, don't pierce. Okay, apparently it doesn't want us screwing through this thing. All right, we get that. We're not going to screw anything into it. I guess we can leave that on there. It has a QR code here that we may need. So let's set that down. Anchors. All right, this I do believe is what goes on here like this, right? Then you screw it in, and that goes right on the wall. Or maybe it goes this way. Yeah, that's probably the way it goes. All right, so you can see it's got some hookups there. All right, so I think that's what we're gonna do. And then, does it catch? I guess it does catch, but I don't want to do it right now because I don't want it to get stuck, so we'll leave it like that. All right, let's grab this. Oh, here we go. There's a couple more doohickeys. I think this might be for the solar panel. Let's take a look. So we got a little screw there, and yeah, so that's gonna screw in there. You follow me? All right, what else is in here? Anything? Oh, look at this. We got a USB to USB-C, and that we'll probably use. So let's see, we got everything out of there. That's everything. Very simple. This one's gonna be easy. So here's our connector. That connects to that. That goes into the wall. This goes into the wall. This tightens it down on the outside, and you can redirect it. Let's just open it up and look at it. Anchors. That is the connector. There's your post. There's your wall piece. So I do believe it's going to kind of go like that. And this goes this way. You follow me? So then you just go like that. That hooks down. All right. That screws into the wall. This right here moves, and you can screw this into here. Whoops, I think I got to do it this way. So there you go. You got your solar panel on there. You put this on the wall, right? And then you point it at the sun. This is going to go into the camera. So now we just have to locate our USB hole, which is right here. And bam, Bob's your uncle. So this is just going to fit right in there like that. All right, also you need a micro SD card, and that fits right in there. All right, so just so you guys see where it's at, it's on the very bottom here. And then you're going to put all these on the wall, and now you've got a security system. It's that simple. And we'll have to make another video on how to do that and how to connect this to the app. But that is the unboxing. That's everything that comes in the box. And if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to install this and how to set it up and use it. All right, peace.